My superstars, we are in a machine fabrication plant. Okay, so some time ago I did a video on a vibrator and it was not finished. So in this video I'll be showing you the finished product of that vibrator, and I'll actually show you how it works. We're going to test run it so you see how it works. Meanwhile, these are other machines that are being processed in this machine fabrication plant. What we have right here is a pumpkin separator. It works in a different way, it has different mechanisms and works differently. Okay, so now we are headed towards the machine. Remember this machine, my superstars? Okay, so it was not finished. If you remember, I told you it was not finished, that it will be completed and it will be test run. So right now, a mesh has been covered on the machine, as you can see. Okay, so this machine is powered with an electric motor, as you can see, and it was designed specifically for a maggot producer. This person right here produces maggots commercially and uses it as feed. So he needed this vibrator to be able to separate the maggot after it is being produced into various sizes, separate the death and other things. As you can see, there's a collector down there. Okay, so that right there collects different sizes, and there's another collector elsewhere that collects another size and dirt. So this machine is very efficient and has been able to work efficiently, separating the maggots into various sizes for this business owner. Okay, my superstars. Okay, so I know you're wondering, you'll be like, ID, which one is maggot production? Yes, there are actually people who produce maggot commercially. It's a business on its own. They produce it for people who use it as feed for livestock. Okay, so this machine is produced specifically for that purpose, and it's working. My superstars is working. Alright, so I'll show you around. There are other machines which are being fabricated. Let's take a look. Alright. In my superstar, so this right here is a machine fabricated in this machine factory. So this right here is an aluminium cassava grinder. You can use this machine to grind your cassava commercially. Alright, it is very efficient. All you have to do is, once the electric motor is attached, you can then go ahead and use it. But this right here is a cassava grating machine. Look at that, my superstars. Lots of people who have cassava in their area. This machine can make money for you. All you have to do is buy it and position it outside, and people will come in the morning or whenever to grind their cassava. Okay, and then you make your money. So the next machine right here is a beans grinding machine. It's a commercial beans grinder. If you're thinking of grinding beans in large quantities, then you can use the other machine, the beans grinding machine. Alright, so this machine right here is a commercial beans grinder. All you have to do is pour in your beans and then attach your electric motor and then you can grind your large quantity of beans. Okay, so we also have other machines you can make money out here. We also have a wheelbarrow for people who want to make quick money. You can buy a wheelbarrow, keep it outside. If you live in a place where building and construction is ongoing, you can keep it outside, and then people will come and rent it daily and pay you money, and then you make money. All right, my superstars. So there are other machines which are on the construction, and from time to time I'll be showing you these machines. So whichever one you would like, you can always leave your question in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. All right, my superstars. Okay, thank you for watching. Have you liked this video? Please hit the like button and don't forget to turn on your notification so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.